What's up, everybody? Today I am doing an escape room with my family. I don't know what I'm gonna do because my family don't want to be in the vlog, and
Bryce may want to.
I don't know how I'm gonna get content in the escape room if they don't want to be in the vlog.
Hey, Bryce is still far.
So we gonna see, y'all.
What I use.
I went to the wrong place at first. Cause that be happening to me sometimes. Like when I put addresses into Apple Maps, they take me to the wrong place. But then I use Google Maps and take me to the right place. Vice versa. Sometimes I put it in Google Maps, it take me to the wrong place. Apple Maps take me to the right place. We're going in now. Everybody's not here. But
It's just two that's coming. I sent them the waiver, so hopefully they did it.
But we going in.
Alright.
All right, a couple things to go over here real quick. The idea here is
We've been in here for.
have Peterson moving in.
No.
Unfortunately for this one, you will have to start with Peterson to get to Parker. Would you prefer to use your hint with Peterson?
Yes.
Okay. You have a note signed off by Peterson.
What it said?
Y'all hear that music?
No.
Yes.
We do? Oh, yes.
What other items did you find along with that note?
Cards
Cards
and dice.
and dice.
So maybe that's the code for him.
Have you noticed anything about those cards? Anything that got
Yo, we
Yes.
suck.
Yes.
So you put the code in.
We cannot figure
We need
this
a new
out.
one.
I'm
We
gonna
got
share
it.
out the room though.
excellent. So you have the cards.
Y'all.
You have the numbers.
There's food in here.
Take a look at the last part of the note. Yes, we talked about that.
Yeah, so it's that there.
You're gonna need some extra cards that weren't in the deck. Do you see those cards?
Yes.
Giving them a hint. I'm not.
We got it.
Okay, thank you. Yes, got it.
I
Well,
don't get
well, wait.
none
I think
of
we just need to
this.
do it for
I don't
this
get
block.
any of
I'm
it. I
trying
am
to.
highly
This is too
confused.
smaller.
The most confused in the room for sure. But
Two.
they gonna figure it out. And I'm here for the vibes. I tried to do a little something, but it's not working. They suck.
start with blue?
They suck. We can't figure it out.
It says red, blue, green.
Because we can't really find red.
So we just finished the escape room and we did not escape.
Figure it out
Nah,
that
we
way. At least a card right there. I don't think you would have.
You didn't
Embarrassing.
think about that?
And I got so close to figuring out so many clues and didn't figure
I'm sorry, that's not
anything
true.
out. I said I got close.
No,
I knew there was something in the socks. I was feeling the socks while y'all called for the clue.
Too.
Just didn't think to go.
It was thin.
Yes. So, just embarrassing. So embarrassing. So I am back in the house. I really hate that my family didn't want to be recorded, but it is what it is. It's whatever. We ended up going out to eat after the whole escape room. But what I think I'm gonna do is keep this vlog going. I'm gonna keep it going. I'm not gonna just post that because that was some BS. Today's Friday. Tomorrow is Saturday. I have work tomorrow, sadly. But I think I'm gonna do something after work, like to spice this vlog up. Spice this. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but we'll see. If not tomorrow, Sunday, Spice this vlog up. Spice this vlog up. Spice this vlog up. Spice this vlog up. Actually, y'all, this is just an intrusive thought. I think that video I had an epiphany I need to come to TikTok. I just wanted to express this. I think that video of Niecy Nash in that movie, that Jeffrey Dahmer movie, when he tried to feed her those people, when she was like, I'm not eating that. That meme right there is hilarious. It's very funny. It is Sunday, and the beginning of this vlog was Friday. Then I told y'all Saturday that I forgot to record. So today, what I'm gonna do as a part of this video is a grocery vlog. I went grocery shopping, and I didn't get a lot of stuff, but I did get stuff. And just gonna give y'all a little insight on the type of stuff I did. So I got carrots, market side carrots. These was like cheap as hell. They fill you up, blah blah blah. Carrots. I got orange juice. This orange juice right here, this is the best orange juice on the market. This is really what this video is about. This is really what I wanted to let y'all know. This Walmart great value 100% orange juice hit. Like, I can drink this whole gallon today. It could be gone by the end of the day. I got me some butter. I never have ever purchased this butter before, but it was very cheap. So, Imperial butter. Bacon. Now, I love me some bacon. I don't usually get this brand, but like I keep reiterating, it was cheap. I am on a budget. And this right here, I said, oh dang, because what I was doing, I was getting the brand that I usually buy from Publix. It has been on sale, buy one get one free. But I was in Walmart today and I seen these, and these was half the price of what the buy one get one free bacon I be getting. So it totaled up to about the same amount. So yeah, actually no, I'm lying. This actually ended up being cheaper than the buy one get one free price. I think the bacon I usually buy be like $9, buy one get one free. And I think this was like $3, and I got 2 packs. Celery. I love celery. And it was just, you know, had to throw something healthy in there with the bacon. And that's all I got today. I went grocery shopping yesterday as well. I got some stuff. I got some pasta. So I'm gonna be doing some bacon and pasta type ordeals. I got some sausage, some ground sausage that I'm gonna do up, and that's gonna be breakfast. That's gonna be thrown into that pasta I got, something like that. But just very simple groceries right now, not doing too much. Just need to eat something, put something on the bell, and yeah. I think I'm gonna end this video right here. I think that's like a good amount of content, until like I actually like go out and have a life or whatever. But I just wanted to throw something else in here because like I know like that first video, like on Friday when I went to the skate room, like I really thought that was about to be some content, but it wasn't because my family didn't want to be recorded. So yeah, I might, no, this is the end, but be on the lookout for more.